Hey guys, we are all done. I'm with Zeus. What we're gonna do today, we're headed back to the shop. You see the Georgia buggy behind me? We're headed back, but the start of this video is we're getting Zeus a car.
Yes, we're going to do it today, friends.
Thanks to you guys.
Inspired. Allison, thank you so much for your love and your generosity for the job that we did, and we're adding to the fund. She gave me an extra $300, so we're up to $1,500.
Thank you, Allison. We really appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. Dean, Tony Ronaldo, Chris DeVito. Oh, look, two deer out in the road.
Go on, baby.
Whoa, two baby deers.
Oh, my precious.
Hey.
That was so beautiful.
Yeah, hey, especially, you know, it is what it is. This day has been perfect. I can't believe I found two homeless guys that worked out, and it worked out perfectly. And look, Don was at the gas station and picked up Zeus. He shouldn't even like, he was gonna walk to the job. But my phone's dying. What do you think about those deer? That was a sign from God, wasn't it?
Yeah, I'm not sure what the sign is. It's beautiful. It looked like little Bambis. They had the dots on the back and stuff like that. Who'd ever want to shoot one of those?
Well, I mean, I would shoot a big deer, but that if I needed to eat. Yeah, if I needed to eat, I would. Heck yeah. I've done it before, but I would do it in a heartbeat. But not maybe I would shoot one of those baby ones if I had to.
But if you didn't need to eat?
But if I had to, I would.
But what if you didn't need to?
I wouldn't.
People do it just because
no, I wouldn't.
They want to kill something.
I wouldn't do it if I didn't need to eat.
A lot of people just shoot shit.
And I'd have to use a bow and arrow too.
Ooh.
I mean a crossbow.
Putting some style to it. Crossbows are illegal, don't you know?
No, I mean I'd have to use a bow and arrow because I'm a felon. But my phone's getting ready to die, so I wanted to get this part. We're headed to the shop. We got to clean out the buggy. We got to get the trailers cleaned off, and then I'm gonna charge my phone, and we'll see you guys when we go get the car. There's Zeus is cleaning up the trailer. You getting her? All right, here I come. All right, we just got back from work, and it's hot. It's a Saturday. We're getting ready to go get Zeus's car. But you know what? I built this thing. I might as well use it, huh? Oh my goodness. Woo! You wanna jump in? After a quick bathroom break and almost ready to quit, I ran into these fellers that were getting their hustle on by selling paintings.
How you doing today? Good, how are you? Peace Project.
Okay, I got a YouTube channel. I'm just filming, you know what I mean?
What's your name?
GRUBB MUDD. Won't lie, but we gotta unload this trailer right here, and we'll be go get you a car.
We're gonna do it.
Hell yeah, that's amazing. Thank you to everybody that donated. We're gonna get this unloaded. Guys, we just got the trailer unloaded and swept off. We're not gonna unload my truck. It's got a lot of crap in it, but we're not gonna unload it. We're gonna go get Zeus's truck. I gotta go in and get my phone. I'm gonna jump in the pool one more time on the way back.
It's a 5-speed.
Go back to the original picture. Oh, okay.
I know this truck. I ain't no stranger. I know that truck. That's a Ford Ranger.
So that's how far is it? Marshall, Indiana. Whew, that's a decent ways away. All right, guys, we're on our way to Noblesville to get Zeus's truck. It's finally happening. He said he can wait. They close at 3. We're gonna be there at 3:30. Nice truck, dude. A F-150. That's exactly what you need, bro. Yeah. All right. Hey guys, we are on our way to Noblesville. The guy said he's gonna stay open till 3:30 for us. It's a Ford F-150. It's nice, I'm telling you. And you're gonna get 30 days. Zeus, you're gonna get 30 days.
30-day tag.
Yeah. So
we have to get insurance. So
yeah, but you know what?
Every day and every way it gets better, better, and better.
I think you got. Well, hell, we'll figure it out. I think we can figure it out. One question. Actually, I want to tell you guys something. There was nobody on the water tower. I promise you that. All right, we're on 146th Street. It's been going perfect up to this point. We're gonna try to pass this guy without.
We're driving through the beautiful scenic nature of Indiana. Look at the beautiful horses out there. Oh my gosh.
It says we're 30 minutes away, Zeus.
30 minutes away.
I told him 20. When's the last time you had a vehicle, Zeus?
A couple years ago. I think it was back in 2019.
Are you excited?
I am.
Dude, I'm excited.
I got done with the bus this morning when I ended up waiting an hour and a half before a bus showed up. Then I had to jump on a second bus because that bus went a different direction to the same place where you were going.
Yeah.
It's just in different spots of the city. So it really made things kind of like a challenge, but it all worked out today, which was amazing.
The customer was at the gas station and just picked up Zeus. It was crazy.
Got up the bus and customers there filling up the gas tank.
And she didn't even know to pick up Zeus until she was pumping her gas.
Yeah.
It was so weird. But it worked out because I jumped off the buggy and had to strike off, and Zeus showed up right at the time I jumped off the buggy. So, and as we're pulling this off the wall, out of nowhere comes my guy. He comes in with the buggy, and I honestly didn't even tell him. Here he comes, look, bam, out of the blue, riding through. Didn't even hit the fence, knew not to. I'm buggying. Well, we're gonna roll down the windows. Here you go.
We can breathe.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can breathe. It's getting a little hot in here. Indiana is now becoming one of those summer states.
Take the next left, then turn right.
We're here. Zeus, we just got here. It's we just got done with work. Right on. All right, the red one, right? All right. Hey, appreciate it. All right, got the key. Pop the hood before you. All right, Zeus is getting in. What's it like, Zeus? Pop the hood real quick. It's got a little rust on the bottom, but you know what? All right, guys, thanks to you guys, we're gonna make this happen. Hopefully it sounds good. That's all I gotta say. Open that up, Zeus. All right, now get that little, get that. What's the inside look like? Does it look like Zeusable? Oh man, that's clean. Damn, Zeus. Hey. Hey, that sounded cleaner than mine. That sounded cleaner than mine. You don't have a real hitch. Don't try to pull nothing with that. That sounds, dude, that sounds good. We got to take it for a spin real quick. It might have a little bit of a clutter. No, it sounds good, dude. Let's see if your AC works, because mine don't. Nope. But you never know. Let's close your door and back up and see what happens. I don't think you can smoke in here yet. Yeah, that doesn't work, Goose. Your AC doesn't work either. It's all right. We're gonna back it up, see what it sounds like. Oh man, that thing rolls smooth backwards. All right, go over in that parking lot and do it. But I'll tell you what. Yeah, it turned nice. Now go the other way with it. And then I want to see something with the exhaust. I mean, actually, it don't really matter. This thing's nice, dude. How many miles are on it?
234 million.
You guys have literally seen Zeus come from the bottom, from homeless to getting his own apartment, and now to getting some stability in his life. Now he has a truck, he can go anywhere and meet me at any job site. What do you think, buddy? Huh? What do you
Appreciate it. There's a little baby girl named Riley that wants to see her grandpa.
Pull it in there. I'll tell you what. Hey, a little bit of rust, but hey. At that point in time, I didn't even understand what Zeus said. He said he wants to see his granddaughter he hasn't seen in years. Look at that, man. Zeus is stunned. Look at Zeus's truck. I don't even know why I got this cigarette in my hand. I did quit smoking. To me, guys, really, there's no better feeling in the world, honestly, to help organize something. I mean, it wasn't even my idea, but to help organize something from homeless to getting his own truck, man, that's just awesome. But anyways, check that out. Nice. Nice. What do you think, though?
I'm happy. I want to see Riley.
You're happy?
Yeah, I want to see Riley.
All right, sweet. You want to see Riley? Who's Riley?
My little granddaughter.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, we want it, buddy. All right.
Unless you want to be on YouTube because he is viral.
Yeah. Yeah, I got 300,000 subscribers.
That's cap.
Yeah, it's called GRUBB MUDD. It's a concrete channel. We were working all day long.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, I appreciate you staying open late for us.
No problem.
Yeah.
Actually, forgot him. Andrew.
Andre?
Yep.
Nice to meet you.
He's putting them up right there. Yep, sweet. So there's his plate. Instead of going right there, you don't even need the screwdrivers. Just put those screws up. We're gonna go to the gas station so you can fill it up. Didn't the customer give you a fuel card?
Yes, I don't know which gas station.
All right, we're gonna check it out. Thank you, sir. All right, good luck with everything.
Thank you so much, mate.
All right.
Say hi to YouTube. This is the man to shop for.
Shout out your channel.
Andrea's Garage.
Andre's Garage. All right, I'll put it in the description.
Yeah.
All right, I'll put the link. Thanks, guys. All right, Zeus has a truck. That's what's up, baby. Thanks, guys. Zeus right there pumping on his new truck. Aha. What time's the bus get here? I don't care. All right, here we go, boys. We're getting ready to split up. I want to give a special thanks to Dean, because if it wasn't for Dean to even get the idea to go with this, to set it up, it would have never got started. So we want to give it thanks to Dean and everybody else that donated. The customer even donated, the gift. Yeah, Allison. So she got behind it. That's awesome. So, Yep. It's Zeus's truck now. No more bus.
No more bus. No more waiting on the bus 2-3 hours. I didn't even say it the other night when we got off, or at 2 o'clock. I didn't get home till 7. The bus was all delayed and was stopping here and there.
Wow.
It was pretty crazy information, but
well,
yes, thank you.
Yep. All right. Well, hey, man, that's all it is. We'll see you guys later. You got anything else you want to say?
Pour early and don't pour too much.
Come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me.
Hey, yo, something I want to say just real quick. You guys, this community, you guys got Zeus's truck.
If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my